Investing can be a great way to grow your money, but it can also be intimidating if you're just starting out. In this video, we'll go over some basic steps to help you get started. First, it's important to understand the different types of investments available. Some common options include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and exchange-traded funds (ETFs). Each type of investment has its own unique risks and potential rewards, so it's important to do your research and choose the right options for your financial goals and risk tolerance.
Next, it's time to open a brokerage account. This is a type of account that allows you to buy and sell investments. You can open an account with an online brokerage firm or with a financial advisor. Be sure to compare the fees and services offered by different firms to find the best option for you.
Once you have a brokerage account, you can start building your investment portfolio. This is a collection of different investments that you own. You can start by choosing a mix of investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. For example, you might choose a mix of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. As you gain more experience and knowledge, you can adjust your portfolio to reflect your changing needs and goals. It's also important to regularly monitor your investments and make changes as needed. This might include rebalancing your portfolio to maintain the right mix of investments, or selling investments that are no longer meeting your needs.
Finally, remember to diversify your investments. This means spreading your money across a variety of different investments, rather than putting all your eggs in one basket. Diversification can help reduce your risk and improve your chances of achieving your financial goals. Investing can be a great way to grow your money, but it's important to do your research and make informed decisions. By following these basic steps, you can start building a strong foundation for your investment journey.